Hey, what is up everybody? Nick from Pacific Racer back with a review video. It's actually my first sponsored review from Auxito. They hit me up on Facebook and Instagram and they found my email as well. And they wanted me to do a review of some lights and I agreed. So they get good reviews online and everything, so I don't have any doubts about it. But yeah, I'm going to have a website link down below if you guys want to order anything. And coupon code Pacific Racer. It'll help me out and it'll save you 10%. So let's get into the unboxing. Alright, and now these are for my Jetta. They are 9006 and or HB4 socket lights. So they should fit in anything that has those sizes, 9006 or HB4. But just open everything up. They came inside this plastic kind of case and inside another plastic one, and here's a part number on there just in case you wanted to see what I am ordering. And let's open these up. They are inside another cardboard box, and being lights and stuff, I'm not expecting them to get broken or anything. They're LEDs. They should travel fine. Alright, come on, let's get open. And another cardboard box right here, along with product specifications on the back. If you're into technicals, operating voltage is between 9 and 30 volts, as with most LED lights. Light source is CSP, IP rating of 67. Operating temperature is between 40 Fahrenheit, or it's a negative 40 Fahrenheit, up to 176 Fahrenheit. And operation life is 50,000 hours. And these are the ones with the heat sink. They also have some with fans on them and all that fancy stuff, but these are the ones I picked out for my Jetta. So let's take a look at opening the box. And again, these are from Auxito. Feel free to use the link down below and coupon code Pacific Racer for 10% off. This is the box. And open this up, nice and easy, packed in foam. Let's see if I can get these out. There we go, nice and easy. Got a little booklet. Apparently these are their i9 series right here. Fully branded by them too. I'm actually surprised to see that. I thought they might be a retailer, but it looks like they have all of their own paperwork and instruction manuals, along with their socials on the back if you guys want to check them out. They also have a pretty active Instagram page if you want to check that out. But here we go, right here. Very nice. Got a cell on either side there, and the heat sinks, which are very nice. They're aluminum heat sinks. It comes with a little weather seal around there. That's what that blue strip is. So far these feel good quality, nice good weight to them. They're not light, they don't feel cheap. And these actually look rebuildable if you just want to get a new LED chip with just have to use a little Allen key to get in there. So these, if you're into rebuilding lights, these are I believe they're $50 regularly. It looks like they're on sale for $39.99 right now, but again, use my coupon code Pacific Racer along with the link down below and get an extra 10% off. Can't lose there. But yep, I got 2 of these, and I'm going to be showing you how to put them in my Jetta now. Alright, and for installation, I'm doing this on my Volkswagen. I'm going to be doing the fog lights right here, and if you own a Volkswagen, you know this is no easy thing to do. Fog lights are one of the more challenging things to do, but I'm going to show you how, because you can't really get through the wheel well unless you take that out. And then the bottom is like that. So we're going to be taking this bottom tray off and popping those fog lights in. The 2 in the very back are going to take a T45, and the rest of them are going to take a T25. Alright, that should be all of them. So, like I said, 3 T45s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 T25s. There we go. Lay that pan on the bottom. And then you should be able to reach up and change your fog lights now. This one actually looks like it might be a little challenging. Alright, so for the driver's side, you're going to want to reach up in there. It's kind of hard to show. Reach over there. You can grab it, twist, and then it comes right out, just like that. There she is. And then there's going to be a little tab on the back. Press that tab, and it pulls right out of the socket. Press on the tab, and ooh, pops right out. Watertight, so it makes a little pop when it comes out. But here's my stock halogen, and here is the Auxito LED light. And this is a 3000K, so it is a yellowish light, which I like on fog lights. I'm a big fan of that. A lot of Euro cars, Japanese cars have them. But if you live in America, you know you don't get yellow lights stock. So we will shove these in there. Should get a little click. Okay, there we go. And it's in there. So you're going to want to reach back up in there into the socket and then twist this in. It'll be a right hand twist. Alright, there we go. Got one of them installed, and as you can see, yellow. Very awesome amount of light on myself. The beam pattern is definitely better. Yeah, I like that a lot more. That looks good. Yeah, you can see that yellow is a little bit brighter too. I like that. I'm probably gonna wait till dark to do the rest of the video. You can't really tell, especially my headlights on. I can't have just my fog lights on. But yeah, I mean, they're definitely a lot brighter than the stock halogens. Alright, now for the passenger side. Now, you cannot get the passenger side from underneath the car. You're gonna have to go in through the wheel well, which, I mean, you could do this on the other side too, but I heard some rocks rattling around on my belly pan, so I thought I might as well take it off. So you're gonna undo your T25s down right there, and then there's a bunch on the inside of the fender liner, and you take those all the way off up until there's this little section right here, a little crease, and that is your bending point. So you take all those off, then you grab it by the bottom, peel back, and you can reach right into your light, twist, and then pull it out. There we go, got it. Sorry, this is so hard to show. Volkswagen makes everything nice and tight. Push the tab, and pulls right out. New bulb. Auxito branding right on the side, if you can see it. There we go. Upside down, that's right side up. There you go. But yeah, these are very nice quality. Heatsink on the back, all standard hardware. Phillips heads on the back, along with Allen key on the side. So I mean, these essentially look rebuildable, which is pretty cool. But they're at such a good price point where, you know, they don't need to be. You could buy a new set if they go bad, but being LEDs, don't really expect them to go bad too quick. So as far as installing these on a Volkswagen, push them into the housing, twist, then plug in the bottom. I don't know if I said that on the other side, but that's definitely the best way to do it. There we go. Plug right in, just like that. And it's in there nice and snug, and when you want to put this back in, just push. Soft plastic. Nice and easy. Alright, so here is the test of the light bulbs. And one thing that I was worried about was what the beam pattern was going to look like. And as you can see, this is an absolutely perfect beam pattern for fog lights. And again, I went with the 3000K, so I got yellow. It's my favorite color for fog lights. It's what I'll always do for fog lights. But yeah, it's an absolutely perfect beam pattern. I was worried about it being too bright also and just scattering the light everywhere, but these are absolutely flawless. Now I'm gonna put a link down to the ones that I ordered, and I'm also gonna put an affiliate link down there for you guys to click on. So if you do want to buy anything, you can use my coupon code's Pacific Racer. It'll be in the description down below. But yeah, Auxito lights, they get a major thumbs up for me. All right, and I'd like to thank Auxito once again for trusting me to review one of your products. It's a fantastic product. I recommend this highly to anyone looking for an LED light. They have lots of choices on their website, not just the one that I used, and they also offer more products. So if you want to check out their website, I'm going to have a link in the description down below. Go ahead and click it. Use my coupon code Pacific Racer to get 10% off. And yeah, enjoy some cool new lights, and I hope you enjoyed this video as well. Give it a thumbs up, share it, do whatever you want, watch it again, put it on repeat, whatever helps the algorithm. Also, go ahead and comment down below any other sorts of videos you want to see. I know I've posted a lot of other videos in the past of different stuff, and if you want to go through my history and see any of that stuff, I have most of the things that I show. So if you want a review of something, don't be afraid to ask. I'm trying to do more of these videos. I'm trying to make this YouTube a viable thing for me to, you know, maybe one day make a living off of. We'll see what happens. But yeah, feel free to like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace.